Steamed abalone sushi.
This channel is produced by Japanese chef Taka-san, using a different approach compared to other culinary videos. It is to create a Japanese cuisine communities for the viewers to participate in. The contents and dishes are based on requests received from viewers and friends, a program created by the viewers for the viewers. It is our desire to solve questions and problems regarding Japanese cuisine through this Japanese cuisine community.
Rinse an abalone thoroughly. We are going to peel the meat off of the shell. Insert a tool such as a rice paddle under the meat and peel it off of the shell. To keep the liver attached to the shell, use a thumb to separate it from the meat. The remaining liver can be detached by scraping it along the shell with your finger. Rinse the meat and the liver once again. Pour plenty of sake and add soy sauce, salt, and chopped radishes. Be careful not to put too much soy sauce and salt, because that would make the meat too hard. Put the lid on the container to avoid the water getting in, then put it on a steamer. Then steam it for 2 to 3 hours. After it is finished steaming, let it cool down. While waiting for it, prepare vinegared rice. You can find a link to the video describing how to cook vinegared rice in the description below. We will cut the abalone. To shape sushi, the meat needs to be wide enough, so slice it diagonally and thinly. Make small cuts in the meat. Next, cut the liver into small pieces. When it gets pasty, add miso and olive oil to it, and mix them. Shape sushi with your hands. Finally, put liver sauce on top of it. And done! Thank you for watching the video. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.
Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel.